This I had to take from the back. That bolt I had to take from the back. So what I got to do now is I got to pull it out, replace it with some hardware I got from Impact Tech. Yeah, let's get it. And that's it. Now I've got this replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and change this out. Oh yeah. Let's get it. I took this off just so I don't have to handle this big old heavy thing while I'm putting it back on here. I found that threads were stripped out. Okay, so this is the hardware. The tip of this was barely in, and it got stripped out the whole metal. So what I did is I got the new hardware. It's a little bit bigger than this. Put it in there, pretty much self-tapped it with another screw. Let's see what happens. Let's go, let's get it. I really didn't want to go too tight, so that's why I'm keeping an eye on the length of the top of the nut on all four of them. You can feel pretty much when it's going to get too much or too loose. Or, I don't feel like it's going anywhere, but we're good. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to wait to put this on because I need the other slider for this. This goes in here. Slider goes on top, nut goes in the back. But I'm waiting on that, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the 12 o'clock bar.